The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 8:45 p.m. At 7:12 p.m., a squally line of showers capable of producing waterspouts extended from 12 nautical miles east of Wilmette Harbor to 10 nautical miles northwest of Michigan City, moving south at 15 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Indiana Harbor, Burns Harbor, and Marina Shores at Dune Harbor. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Here is the forecast for the Chicago metropolitan